is an Annamachari Kirtana, where the poet describes goddess Alamelumanga, the consort of Lord Venkateshwara. He says, this lady with honey-sweet words sleeps. It's dawn and she yet sleeps. She sleeps beautifully with her tendrils strewn all over her face. As she sleeps and her sari is moved to the side, she sleeps reminiscing the dalliances of the previous night with Lord Venkateshwara. Can you see there are also beads of sweat on her? Palukuteni Talli Pavalinchani in Abheri Ragam and Khandachapu Talam.